Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to make a TikTok video using Canva. So after you've opened Canva, you want to go here to the left sidebar, then click on templates, then click on video up here, then click on mobile videos, and you can scroll down and see all of the available templates that you can use for your TikTok video. And if you're looking for a specific theme, you can search for it over here in the search bar above. And then once you've selected a template, just click on the video, then click on customize this template. And from here, you can start customizing the template. You can put your own title and whatever content that you want to put in your video. And after you've done that, just click on share, then click on download so that you could upload the video into TikTok. But if you want, you can also click on TikTok over here so that it will redirect you to TikTok and you can directly upload the video from there. So that's it. Thanks for watching.